Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair the Bluetooth headphones with our console. First thing we need to do is to open the settings on our console, and you can do it by tapping on the settings icon on the home screen. Okay, now find the option called Bluetooth audio and tap on it. And here you have the option called pair device, and we need to tap on it. It will start searching for the nearby devices. So now I need to enter the pairing mode on my headphones. So I'm gonna press and hold the power button. On different headphones you have different ways to enter the pairing mode. So you need to check it in the manual. But once you enter the pairing mode on your headphones, they will be detected by the console. You can tap on them. As you can see, they're connected successfully, and we can tap on OK. And now we have our headphones right here on the list. And I believe you can connect multiple devices, up to 2 wireless controllers. It doesn't say how many headphones, but I believe maybe also up to 2. You will need to test it out yourself. Anyway, if you want to disconnect them, you can tap on them and tap on disconnect. They will disconnect immediately and you will go back to speakers, or you can also remove them so they won't connect automatically again after you turn them on. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to home screen, and that's how you pair the Bluetooth headphones with this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.